In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a CRM in Airtable. We're going to walk through a simple, practical setup that you can use to manage your contacts, companies, and deals all in one place. By the end of this video, you'll have a basic CRM that's visual, easy to use, and ready to customize for your own workflow. Let's start with the foundation, your tables. In a new Airtable base, create 3 separate tables. Name the first one, Contacts, the second one, Accounts, which will represent companies or organizations, and the third one, Opportunities, which will represent your deals. Thinking in terms of these 3 tables helps you separate people, companies, and sales activity, which will keep your CRM organized as it grows. Next, we'll add the key fields, or columns, that your CRM needs. In the Contacts table, make sure you have a name field for the person, and add fields for things like email and phone if you need them. In the Accounts table, you can have a company name field, plus any other details that matter to you, like industry or size. In the Opportunities table, create fields such as opportunity name or deal name, a deal value field to track the amount, and a stage field. For the stage field, use a single select field type and add options like led, won, and lost. These stages will later power your pipeline view, so keep them clear and meaningful. Now it's time to connect everything. Airtable makes this easy with the link to another record field type. In the Contacts table, add a field that links each contact to an account in the Accounts table. This lets you see which company a person belongs to. In the Opportunities table, add a link to Accounts and, if you'd like, a link to contacts as well. This way, each deal is tied to both a company and the people involved. Linking records is what turns your base from a set of separate lists into a real CRM. With that structure in place, you can visualize your sales pipeline. In the Opportunities table, create a new view and choose a Kanban view. When Airtable asks how to stack your cards, select the stage field. You'll now see your deals laid out in columns for each stage, from led through to won or lost. You can drag and drop opportunities between stages as they progress, which makes updating your pipeline both fast and intuitive. Finally, to make this CRM easier for you or your team to use, build an interface with Airtable's Interface Designer. Instead of working directly in the spreadsheet-style grid, you can design a simple dashboard. Create pages that show key information, like a list of current opportunities, details for each contact, or a company overview with related deals and people. Arrange cards, lists, and detail views so that users can view and edit records without being overwhelmed by every field at once. This interface becomes the front door to your CRM, keeping the structure you've built under the hood while presenting a clean, focused workspace on top.